how's NUBINARY positioned to participate in these three bigger changes that you just articulated moments ago?
Of course. So as I try to explain about how the whole ecosystem is really thinking about how to put together these innovative, or I would say really bold approaches to come up with products and services that can help the scalability of these technology companies. We're actually aligned with that wind of change. We're trying to, from our perspective, when it comes to technology development and product development and technology development, we're trying to bring that seniority knowledge to the earliest stage startups. And so we are part of this whole big supply chain of service providers that are really now betting on the support of these future, hopefully, unicorn companies and to scale. And what we've done and what we've achieved so far, and maybe I should say what we've been able to validate, because we're also a startup like everybody else, we're trying to learn, we're trying to validate some of the assumptions that we have in the market. So the validation we received today is 100% in line with what we at the beginning hoped to happen. A lot of appetite for the type of services that we provide, a lot of encouraging, I guess, outcome that we've been able to bring about. We've been in situations that the companies struggle for years, sometimes up to about 7 to 10 years, growing their company, and we essentially go in those situations into those type of companies, and we were able to really show how that can happen within really 2 quarters or about a year. We validated the assumption that if you do the proper product development in that process, if you really think about how to scale and capture adjacent markets with the core business that they have built, we validated all of that it actually works, that it actually can lower the risk to the company, increase the chance of success, not only for the company, but also for investors. And that scaling a technology is not only about coding, is not only about maybe adding more horsepower behind your cloud infrastructure. It's about a mindset. It's about a culture. It's about really understanding the opportunities and be agile enough to capture them. So that's what we've been doing with NUBINARY. We're proud of what we've done. Again, I think that the core to our success is that we've done it. We made our own thousands of mistakes. We had a few successes that we can share, and even those few success, or even those few, I guess, items that we're sharing with our clients, that is making a huge difference. It saves them from making those fundamental mistakes sometimes, and that can hinder not only their growth, but also the interest in the market for them, both from their customer standpoint and also investors. So